Okay guys, today we are going to be removing the front quarter panels of this car and finally taking a better look at what the heck is going on. Keep your eyes peeled. Let's get started. Okay guys, so today Sean and I, the elusive Sean that you still probably haven't seen properly, managed to get off the front end. Now, I know before I said the damage that we found initially was, yeah, this is totally bolt-on, which evolved to, this is gonna need a bit of work. What that has evolved into is that this is going to need a lot of work. So you'll probably see some photos flashing up right now that kind of show some better images of what I'm talking about. But I'm going to try and spin the camera around right here and just point out, you can see here the actual metal of the car has actually lifted up and away. So originally we thought that the bonnet was really quite misaligned. Kind of true, also not kind of true, because this part of the car, this part of the frame, has detached. You can see the two spot welds here have literally ripped themselves to shreds, pulled up this way and away. This part of the car here is crinkled. Come along here. All this is mostly intact, but you can see there's actually a bend here. And not only that, we get yet another set where the spot welds have pulled away from the frame. The car itself is, well, I don't know if you can see it properly here, but not as badly. The other side has pushed itself over. So the front end is also misaligned in relation to the bonnet. So everything is shifted across. The mounts for the headlights, the 2 points for the impact bar, the K-frame supports and front supports, everything is shifted across. So in some ways that's great. In other ways, that ain't so great. What it has essentially done has protected a lot of the more delicate parts, like the radiator and some of the hosings and some of the plastics in there. They're protected, but because everything is moved, everything has to come back around. We held off for quite a while with getting this car in the shop, and I keep saying next week, next week, next week. But I'm glad we didn't, because having Sean here, because quite frankly, he's the brains behind this stuff. He's far more mechanically minded. He's fully trained as a mechanic professionally, both regular cars and heavy diesel, and you name it, he can do it. Having him look over the car and go, right, so this is what's wrong, this is what really needs to go to a shop, this is what we can do ourselves, has been amazing. You'll probably hear some more from Sean later, but for now, he's just going to be popping in and out whilst we do this stuff. Next steps, it's 100% time for the shop now. We have no choice. So we're going to look to get that frame fixed. We are going to look to get the rails fixed and get that all engineered and certified, and then the car will come back here. However, in the meantime, we are going to attempt to finish off the restraint system. So stay tuned, and hopefully you'll see some more of that soon. All right, guys, have a good one. See ya. Right, so thanks for tuning in today. I'm Matt, this has been Bogan Engineering. If you really like what we're doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're really keen to help support us through this build, hit up our Patreon. The links are all in the description below. Have a good one. Peace out.